Let's hear this sound. Oh, what is the sound? Wow. Wow. It's so calming. Chirping? Oh, I spelled tripping. Chirping. Okay, the answer is chirping. What's this sound? That is the sound you'll hear when you happen to be alone in the woods. Anyways, the answer is owl. Ah! Stop it! That annoying sound is called a school bell, right? It's a school bell. That is the most annoying sound I've ever heard. Unless if it's home time, then it's not annoying. Alright, let's hear this sound. I don't know what this sound is. How long are you going to play this sound? Oh, okay, it stopped. Car? Driving? Drive? What is the, I don't know to answer this. So I'm sorry, but I have to skip this thing. Oh my gosh, the hint is an airplane. Oh my gosh. How did I not think of that? Anyways, let's hear the next sound. Ew. That's the sound you hear when you happen to find a frog in your house. The answer is frog. It's a frog croaking sound. Okay, let's play this one. Why is it so loud? Anyways. Horn, honk, traffic jam. I am not playing that sound again. Okay, fine. I have to play it again. Maybe it's a fire truck. Oh, wait, I spelled it wrong. Fire truck. Oh, it is. Okay. What sound is this? No copyright. No copyright. That's the song you hear when you watch SpongeBob. So the answer is SpongeBob.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
What? So is the answer countdown? Oh, okay.